We had a comment and a question so good on our 127,000 mile maintenance video that I'm making this video in response. Welcome back to TesLUCKY, the YouTube channel where you can follow the adventures of Lucky the Tesla. Bleh. Welcome back to TesLUCKY, the YouTube channel where you can follow the adventures of Lucky the Tesla. Last year, on July 22nd, we posted a video that it covered all of our maintenance expenses for Lucky the Tesla in 127,000 miles of driving and ownership. And by the way, that video has become the #1 single most successful video on this channel. So far, 13,188 views. We are so excited about that video. And as a result, we're going to be doing a series of high mileage, older Tesla videos every 25,000 miles. We're going to cover our maintenance costs, our tire costs, and our battery health. So definitely click the bell for notifications if you want to see how Lucky continues into the future as it relates to these important factors. And I do want to say that we are currently at 143,000 miles, and I drive a lot. I drive more than 2,000 miles a month, so it is not going to be long until we get to that 150,000 mile mark for the upcoming series. So today we're going to address a really great question from that video that we posted back in July. I'm going to read the question. We're going to give the response in this video. I do want to quickly give you the specs for Lucky. Lucky is an older 2016 P90D Model X. We have a lithium ion phosphate battery. We have free supercharging for life. And we love Lucky. Okay, let's get to the comment. I'm going to read this comment to you verbatim. Thank you for this detailed video. Was there anything that changed under warranty? Mark, I'm so glad that you asked. That's a great question. I was so focused in my research of talking about all the things that we had to pay for with maintenance that I didn't think about covering things that we didn't have to pay for that were covered under the warranty. There are actually 5 things that were covered under Lucky's main 4-year warranty, and I'm going to cover all of those in the video. But let me finish with reading the rest of Mark's comment, because he shares his experiences with his Model X, and we love the exchange of details like this in the comments on our videos, because we all can learn so much from each other. Nobody's experience is exactly like, is exactly like everybody else. So Mark continues, I have an April 2016 build. 2 drive units, control arm replacement, engine mounts tighten often, and water intrusion into the pillar between the front and back passenger door if I take it to a drive-through car wash. We don't do that anymore. We took our Tesla Lucky through 1 car wash, and that was it. Tesla tried fixing it 3 times, although all within my warranty. Bought 2019 at 45,000 miles and now at 119,000 miles. My driver's seat won't move back, and they said they have to replace the seat as they don't replace the motors. The pillar still leaks. Falcon door starting to have a noise, and worried about the drive units again. Wow, that's a lot. We haven't had those type of experiences with our Tesla. I'm really sorry to read, Mark, that you have. Mark continues to say that he is considering buying a Y with the new offer of having my unlimited supercharging being able to transfer, especially with the new hardware and less costly maintenance in the long run. Only thing out of pocket was a new glass on top of the FWD that was around $1,200, and it cracked within 2 weeks, so they fixed it again. Oh, and I did change the cabin filter and HEPA filter, estimated $200K. Again, that is a lot of maintenance. I think that it's really interesting that you're going to consider getting a Y with the free supercharging transfer. We just saw that offer for the first time last October. It expired at the end of the year, and I was wondering if that was going to be a thing, that they're going to continue to offer that. And sure enough, we got that offer again about a week or two ago. That's good through March 31st. So we've done the research and we've decided we're not going to trade in Lucky. We're going to drive Lucky to infinity and beyond. Let's talk about, though, in response to Mark's question, the 5 things that were covered under warranty for Lucky. And this is a combination of owner number one's experiences and my experiences. I'm so lucky that the person we bought it from provided all of the repairs and all of the maintenance history, had excellent documentation that came with the car. Number 1, in November of 2017, replaced air suspension compressor. Now, I think this is really interesting because the air suspension compressor has been the Achilles heel of Lucky. We have replaced it 3 times. So it was replaced and we had to cover it. It was covered under warranty, and then it was replaced again, and then we had to replace it out of warranty. So it was like 2 times in warranty, 1 time out of warranty. But I find it very interesting that it was also done in November of 2017. Number 2, 2017 also, the dock connector cable for the Apple Lightning cord was replaced. And that's still going. My phone still charges in it. But that's interesting that after a year, they had to replace that little cord in the little charging thing. I wonder how much that costs. Has anybody else had their Lightning phone cord replaced in a Tesla? If you have any knowledge about how much that costs, please leave us a comment below. Okay, number 3, in May of 2018, replaced right and left rear parking brake calipers and pads. And that says it was involved with a recall. So is it a recall or a warranty repair? Is what's really the difference there, I guess? I mean, it was free and it was repaired, so I'm including it in this list. Number 4, replaced windshield wiper check valve with inline coupler. September 2019. Wait a second, that was in our ownership experience. Replaced windshield wiper. I don't even remember that. That must have been done when they did something else and it was covered in the warranty. I completely wiped that from my mind. How funny. Number 5. This was a big one. February of 2020, I definitely remember this. We had the MCU touchscreen replaced in Lucky. I was getting these weird, ugly little yellow lines, and I was worried that the whole touchscreen was just gonna go poof, and it was weird. And Tesla came out and they replaced the entire touchscreen on Lucky. That was, and it was right kind of near the end of the first 4-year warranty. So I felt really lucky that we got that done before the warranty expired. And then, interestingly enough, we paid to get the upgrade to the new MCU. But anyway, we still have no regrets on any of that. So I just want to remind you that these are the 5 warranty expenses or non-expenses repairs that were done on Lucky. If you want to learn everything about all the maintenance that we've had on this vehicle, highly recommend. I'm going to cue it up at the end here in the corner, our 127,000 mile maintenance video, the most successful TesLUCKY YouTube video to date. We'll let YouTube pick another video that the algorithm thinks you will enjoy. We hope you will continue watching TesLUCKY. Thank you for being here. Have a great day.